Hello team. In this video, I will explain the flow of the advanced KYC. In that particular video, we have covered the KYC dynamic approval. So first of all, we can go to the contact level. So we have provided here the menu KYC approval configuration. We can create a new. So get the proper idea. So I will create one for the working customer approval flow approval. Here we have the two fields, the allowed companies and that's the approval flow is also the multi-company wise. You can see the company selection here. Here is the our approval details. So we have provided the two here, user or groups. So user we have selected and level is a 0. So for the first approval I can select the mark demo here, and for the second approval we can also select the user, and for the second approval we can select the mutual admin. So any contact is new created or KYC level approval required, so this level the approval configuration will works like that. So now currently also yes we have already have the groups. If we can go, we have created this KYC approval group and KYC dynamic approval group. These two groups we have created. If the user have the KYC approval group access, so they can allow to the approve. Like if we have added any user in the approval process, so this group is required for that. And this KYC dynamic approval group is for the automatic approval, like no need to approve. If any admin created the KYC, and they will directly approve that. So that's the flow. That's the these two group users use of that both groups. So currently I have login with the admin, so I will log out that and log in with the normal user. So I am logging with the John Z, and now I go to the contact. I also have created one contact, Danny brand. So in that we have at the contact level, here is the our selection, like which configuration approval we need to use. So here in the KYC tab, here in the KYC tab, the all details are filled properly. You can see that. Now we can KYC expiration date. Here just need to fill some specific details. Now it's go to the send for approval. So these are gone for the, you can see here this contact is gone for the approval flow. So as per this approval configuration, so first need to approve with the mark demo, and then the admin will approve that, and then this contact will be done. So we can first do some signature. Yes, here you can see that the contact is open, contact reference is that. So I log out and log in with the demo. Now go to the contact, search the Danny, and you can see here this mark demo showing the approve, reject both options. So we can approve with mark demo. So you can see this mark demo, dear approver. So the mail also gone to the mutual admin, like you need to this. You can see here the mutual admin approval is required here, and in the approval info tab you can also see this, the status is done, mark demo have completed the approval, and now next is the mutual admin approval required. So now we can log in with the admin, go on to the same contact again, So mutual admin also show on the approve and reject button here. So we can approve that. So now you can see that. First of all, the exploit is something like John D is need to send customer KYC details, so that goes to the approval, mark demo approved, then the mutual admin approved. So now you can see the send customer KYC also visible. So this is the right perfect. So now that's gone to the customer for the signature. You can see the stage also change. Odoo sign is showing here. So that's the basic KYC approval flow we have enhanced in that KYC module. And also, if the contact is in the approval stage, the sale order restriction are also raised. Thank you.